policy of masterly inactivity is related to which British official and related to what? Welcome, Sandhya. Policy of masterly inactivity. Sir Lord John Lawrence, very good. Subhash Chandra Bose, associated to that the policy of masterly inactivity is associated with what? What policy? Very good. Afghanistan. Lord John Lawrence, policy of masterly inactivity is related to Afghanistan. Okay, very good. Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Okay, another very easy question. BP Wadia is mainly associated with which organization? BP Wadia, mainly associated with which organization? Very good. Madras Labour Union. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Madras Labour Union. First president is BP Wadia. First organized trade union in India. Okay. Okay, another very easy question. Dash laid down the manifesto of the rebels during 1857 revolt. Dash laid the manifesto of rebels during 1857. What is that catchy terminology? Which deals with the manifesto of rebels. Very good consideration is the Azam Garg Proclamation of 1857. Okay, Azam Garg Proclamation of 1857 deals with the manifesto of the rebels. Okay, welcome Milan Cholan. You are late today. Okay, first woman graduate of Calcutta University. First woman graduate of Calcutta University. Very easy question. First, very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. First woman graduate of Calcutta University is Kadambini Ganguly. Okay, Kadambini Ganguly was the first woman graduate of Calcutta University. Okay. Okay. Another very easy question I already asked in previous session. Okay, you have to tell what it is. If some particular provision of a statute offends or is against the constitutional limitation, only that offending provision will be declared void by the court, not the entire statute. If some particular provision of a statute offends or is against the constitutional limitation, only that offending provision will be declared void by the court, not the entire statute. No, Gokul. Yeah. It is eclipse. It's a doctrine I am asking whether it is doctrine of eclipse. Very good, Shivanand. It is doctrine of severability. Okay, doctrine of severability. Doctrine of severability. If some particular provision of a statute offends or is against the constitutional limitation, only the offending provision will be declared void by the court, not the entire statute. Doctrine of severability. Okay, severability. Okay. Treaty of Purandar. What was the year? Treaty of Purandar. Easy question. Treaty of Purandar. What was the year? Treaty of 1776. Very good, Pravina. Treaty of Purandar, 1776. Treaty of Salboy. Treaty of Salboy. Salboy. Treaty of Salboy. Year. Treaty of Salboy. Year. No, Aravindan. Treaty of Salboy. 1782. Very good, Pravina. Treaty of Salboy, 1782. Treaty of Bessin. Treaty of Bessin. Treaty of Bessin. Treaty of Bessin. BASSEAN. No, Aravindan. Treaty of Bessin. Treaty of Basin, very good, 1802. Very good, Tavandu. Treaty of Purandar, 1776. Treaty of Salboy, 1782. Treaty of Basin, 1802. Okay. Another very easy question. Grand Old Man of South India. Grand Old Man of South India. Grand Old Man of South India. Very good. This is Subramanya Iyer. Okay. Subramanya Iyer is the Grand Old Man of South India. Okay. You have to tell whose initiative it is. We have heard about Reporters Without Borders. Like that, there is another called Tax Inspectors Without Borders. Whose initiative it is? Tax Inspectors Without Borders. It is a similar kind of initiative like Reporters Without Borders. OECD one is correct, Dilipan. Another one is it's a joint initiative. Joint initiative OECD and very good, Dilipan. OECD is correct. Another one is OECD. No. How come? UNDP, very good, Sandhya. UNDP plus OECD, okay. Tax Inspectors Without Borders, UNDP plus OECD, okay. Okay, Danube River drains into dash. Danube River, very easy question, repeated question. Danube River drains into Black Sea, very good question. Dnieper River, DNIEPR, Dnieper River drains into dash. Dnieper River, Danube, Black Sea. Dnieper also Black Sea. Very good. Danube River drains into the Black Sea. Dnieper River also drains into the Black Sea. Okay. This pass connects the Srinagar and Leh. This pass, PASS pass, connects Srinagar and Leh. Is it correct? Which pass connects? Very good, Arvind. It is Jojila Pass. Okay. Jojila Pass connects the Srinagar and Leh. 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 Okay. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Alluvial soils are rich in phosphorus but poor in potash. Okay. Alluvial soils are rich in phosphorus but poor in potash. False. Very good, Ramya. It is false statement. Okay. Alluvial soils are rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. Okay. Alluvial soils are rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. Okay. Very good, Sanjay. It is vice versa. Okay. Srinagar is present in the banks, river banks of Srinagar, river banks of Jhelum. Very good, Mithun. Srinagar in the river banks of Jhelum. Kota, no? There is a place called Kota in Rajasthan. It is present in the river banks of Kota. KOTA, that coaching institute will be there. Very good, Gokul. It is Chambal. Kota, the river banks of Chambal. Okay. Hampi, a very easy question. Hampi, 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 Tungabhadra. Very good, Ashwin. Srinagar in the river banks of Jhelum. Kota in the river banks of Chambal. Hampi in the river banks of Tungabhadra. Okay. Atirapalli Falls, the source river is Atirapalli Falls. The source river is Atirapalli Falls. Chalakudi. Very good, Mithun. Atirapalli Falls, Chalakudi River. The source river is Chalakudi River. Okay. Sabarmati River originates in Sabarmati River originates in Sabarmati River originates in Sabarmati River, where it originates? Aravalli Range. Very good, Gokul. Sabarmati River originates in Aravalli Range. Okay. During summer, the ITCAZ moves which direction during summer? ITCAZ, no, intertropical convergence zones. The doldrums, no. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. During summer, ITCAZ moves northward. During winter, it moves southward. Okay. Summer northward, winter southward. Okay. Another very, very easy question. Dash refers to pelagic deposits derived from the oceans made up of shelly and skeletal remains. Dashes refer to pelagic deposits derived from the oceans made of shelly and skeletal remains. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. It is oozes. Okay. Oozes refers to pelagic deposits derived from the oceans made of shelly and skeletal remains. Okay. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Ocean currents are faster at the surface and slower at the depth. Whether it is true or false. Ocean currents are faster at the surface but slower at the depth. Whether it is true or false. True. Very good, Prabhu. It is true. The ocean currents are always faster at the surface. In the depth, it is will be very slower. Okay. Okay. Rock banding is a salient feature of what type of rocks? Rock banding. There will be banding of rocks. It is a salient feature of dash type of rocks. Sedimentary. Is it sedimentary? Metamorphic. Very good, Gokul. Rock banding is a salient feature of metamorphic rocks. Okay. It is a salient feature of metamorphic rocks. Okay. Okay. That is the 82.5 degree east, no, that is IST. How many states it passed through? IST? 5? Is it 5? 6. Naveen is saying 6. Everybody is saying different answer. 5. Okay. You please cross verify how many states it's going through. I have written as 6 states, but everybody is having a different answer. Please cross verify. Okay. 82.5 degree. That is IST passed through how many states? You please cross verify. I'm not sure. I have written as 6 states here. Okay. That the subtropical high pressure belt is also known as subtropical high pressure belt is also known as UP 345 only. Okay, horse latitude. Very good, Ashwin. It is horse latitude. Okay, subtropical high pressure belt is also known as horse latitude. Okay, very good, Ashwin. Okay. Ram Ganga River passes through this national park. Ram Ganga River. That protected area, no? In this protected area, Ram Ganga River passes through. Jim Corbett, okay? Jim Corbett, the Ram Ganga River passes through. Jim Corbett, okay? Jim Corbett National Park, Ram Ganga River passes through, okay? Ken River passes through this tiger reserve, Pen River. Ken, Ken, Ken. Panna Tiger Reserve, okay? Ken River passes through Panna Tiger Reserve. Spiti River, Spita, Spiti River passes through this national park, Spiti River. Spiti. Spita, no? Spiti. No, Subhash. Okay. I will give you the, maybe it may be passed through different national parks, but it is only very good, Pravina. It is Pin Valley National Park, okay? Pin Valley National Park. Spiti River mainly passes through the Pin Valley National Park, okay? Kamang River, Kamang River mainly passes through Kamang River, Kameng. Kamar River passes through which tiger reserve? I am more specific. Kamang River passes through this tiger reserve. You tell me the tiger reserve. Kamang River. Pakki. Orang. Okay. Everybody saying different answer. Maybe, I think passing through different parks on protected area, Kamang River. Okay. I will tell you the answer. Jim Corbett, Ram Ganga River, Panna Tiger Reserve, Ken River, Pin Valley National Park, Spiti River, Nameri Tiger Reserve, Kamang River. It may be passes through other tiger reserve also. My question here I have written is Nameri Tiger Reserve. Okay, Nameri Tiger Reserve, Kamang River passes through. Okay. Kabartal wetland, where it is located? Kabartal wetland. Very easy question. Kabartal wetland. Kabartal wetland. Very easy question. Himachal Pradesh. Bihar, very good, Pravina. Kabartal wetland in Bihar. Okay, Kabartal wetland in Bihar. Okay. Niti Pass, Nita. Niti Pass, where it is located? Niti Pass, where it is located? Uttarakhand. Very good, Shivanadi. Niti Pass in Uttarakhand. Okay. This valley is present in the borders between Nagaland and Manipur. This famous valley located between Nagaland and Manipur in the border region. It separates. Very good. This is the Dusoku Valley. Dusoku Valley present between the Nagaland and the Manipur. Okay. Lushai Hills, no? Famous hills. Which state Lushai Hills belongs to? Lushai. Lushai Hills belongs to Mizoram. Very good, Ramya. Lushai Hills, Mizoram. Okay. Okay. Puga Valley is famous for. Very easy question. Puga Valley is famous for what? Puga Valley famous for what? Geothermal. Very good, Subhash. Puga Valley in Ladakh famous for geothermal energy. Okay. Jabalpur, a city located in the river banks of Dash. Jabalpur, Narmada. Very good calculation. Jabalpur, located on the river banks of Narmada. Ludhiana, the river banks of Dash. Ludhiana, 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 Ludhiana. Sutlej. Okay, Ludhiana, Sutlej. Ludhiana, located on the river banks of Sutlej. Madurai is located on the river banks of Dash. A very easy question. Madurai, a city located in the river banks of Vaigai. Very good. Jabalpur, Narmada, Ludhiana, Sutlej, Madurai, Vaigai. Okay. Appalachian coalfields, where it is located? Appalachian coalfields. Appalachian coalfields. No, okay. Mainly in the USA. Okay. Appalachian coalfields. North America, mainly in USA. Okay. Nagorno-Karabakh region, no? Nagorno-Karabakh region, dispute between which two countries? Nagorno-Karabakh region. Very easy question. Armenia is correct. Another one is Azerbaijan. Very good, Gokul. Armenia and Azerbaijan. Nagorno-Karabakh region, dispute region between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Kuril Island is a dispute between dash and dash countries. Kuril Island, the dispute Russia and Japan. Very good. Aravindan, Kuril Island, dispute between Russia and Japan. Mingino Islands, Mingano, Mingino Islands, dispute between dash and dash. Mingino Island, Mingano, Mingino Islands is a dispute between dash and dash countries. It's a very somewhat difficult. No. Mingino Islands. Kenya is correct. Another one is very good, Tawaindo. Kenya and dash. Dispute between Kenya and dash. Uganda. Very good, Tawaindo. Nagorno-Karabakh region between Armenia and Azerbaijan dispute, Kuril Island dispute between Russia and Japan, Mindanao Island dispute between Kenya and Uganda. Okay, okay. You approximately tell the percentage of Muslim population in India. Okay, approximate value. No need to specifically some accurate value. Approximately how much percentage? 21, 18, 20. Okay, it is 14.2%. Okay, very good, Gokulraj. You're somewhat near 14.2%. Okay, that the approximate Muslim population in India is 14.2. Okay, Jaduguda mines, which state, which mineral famous for? Jaduguda mines, which state, which mineral famous for? Jaduguda mines, Odisha. You, you stands for uranium. Very good, Pramina. Jaduguda mines, uranium. Where it is located? AP. Jharkhand, very good, Pravina. Jaduguda mines, Jharkhand. JJ, Jaduguda mines, Jharkhand, uranium. Okay. 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 In Silent Valley National Park, Silent Valley National Park, which river mainly goes through Silent Valley? Some famous river, no? Silent Valley National Park. This river, no? Main river for Kuntipula. Very good, Tavandu. Silent Valley National Park, Kuntipula River passes through. Papikonda National Park. Silent Valley is in Kerala. Okay, it is not in West Bengal. Okay, Papikonda National Park. Which river goes Papikonda National Park inside that? Papikonda. Godavari. Very good, Arvind. Papikonda National Park. Godavari River passes through. Okay. Another very easy question, baby question. Manas River passes through which national park? Manas River passes through which national park? Manas National Park. Very good, Ramya. Manas National Park, Manas River will pass. Okay. Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary, which is state? Tirthan, T-A-R-T-H-A-N. Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary passes through which state? No, Wildlife Sanctuary is present in which state? Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary. Very good, Pravina. It is Himachal Pradesh. Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary, Himachal Pradesh. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, which is state? Bhadra. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, which is state? Very easy question. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka. Very good, Pravina. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka. Okay. Govind Pashu National Park. Govind Pashu National Park. Govind Pashu National Park. Govind. Uttarakhand. Very good, Ashwin. Govind Pashu National Park, Uttarakhand. Okay. Eco-sensitive zone. No? How much distance? Eco-sensitive zone. Eco-sensitive zone. How much distance? That area. 10 kilometer. Very good, Tavandu. Eco-sensitive zone, 10 kilometer. Okay. You have to tell this national park. What I am trying to tell. Biosphere Reserve is situated on the south bank of the river Brahmaputra. This is one national park. Located at the confluence where three of the Indian easternmost rivers, Siang, Dibang, and Lohit. There is a large salix swamp forest. It consists of large salix swamp forest. It is an important bird area. No, no. Biosphere Reserve is situated on the south bank of river Brahmaputra. It is located in the confluence of where three of the India's easternmost rivers, Siang, Dibang, Lohit. Largest, very good, Pravina. It is Dibru Shaikova National Park. Okay, Dibru Shaikova National Park, where the large salix swamp forest will be there. Large salix swamp forest. Okay, that is the key point. Large salix swamp forest. Okay. Okay. And that Padma Awards, no, you arrange it in the chronology from the top, middle, and bottom, based on the prestige, which one is first, which one is second, and the Padma Awards. No, I am asking only Padma Awards, no, 3. Okay. Bhushan is VBS, okay? VBS is Subhas, very good, Subhas number. Vibhushan, Bhushan 3. The mnemonics is VBS. Vibhushan, Bhushan 3. Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma 3. Very good. So, okay, if I want to get this awards, no, whether I can nominate myself to give this award, whether I can nominate myself, whether self-nomination is allowed. Very good, Ramya. Self-nomination allowed. Okay. Self-nomination is allowed in the Padma Awards. Okay. if I am a biotech scientist, no, if I am a biotech scientist, whether I will eligible to receive this award. I am a biotech scientist. Whether I am a, yes, whether I am eligible. No, very good, Srinath. Doctors and scientists are not allowed. Okay, that Padma awards, doctors and scientists are not allowed. Very good, Srinath. Doctors and scientists are not allowed. Self nomination is allowed. Doctors and scientists not allowed. BBS, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Okay. Some give some basic. What is caracal? No? What kind of animal is caracal? Caracal, no? Caracal. Caracal. What kind of animal? Cat. Very good. Gokul, it's a type of cat. Caracal. Okay. Very good. Okay. I will give you the name of the wildlife sanctuary. You have to tell where the common name. Okay. Nayyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Peppara Wildlife Sanctuary, Shandurni Wildlife Sanctuary. These are all wildlife sanctuary present in Nayyar Wildlife Sanctuary. Peppara Wildlife Sanctuary. Very, very good, Sandhya. It is Agasthyamaya Biosphere Reserve. Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. In that, Nayyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Peppara Wildlife Sanctuary, Shandurni Wildlife Sanctuary are present. Okay. Conservation reserves are declared by dash. Conservation reserves declared by dash. Conservation reserves declared, very good, state government. Okay. Conservation reserves are declared by the state government. Okay. Okay. Another very, very easy question. Balfakram National Park, where it is located? Balfakram. Balfakram National Park, where it is located? Meghalaya. Very good, Ramya. Balfakram National Park, Meghalaya. Okay. Another somewhat difficult question. Economically weaker sections, EWS reservation was granted in India based on the recommendations of Dash Commission. Economically weaker section, EWS was granted in India based on the recommendation of Dash Commission. No answers? Mandal? No, Mandal. Mandal is for OBC only. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is somewhat difficult question. The answer is SR Singo. Okay, SR Singo Commission. SR Singo Commission forms the basis of economically weaker section. SR Singo Commission forms the basis of economically weaker section. Okay. Okay. That who established district Fauzdari group? Who abolished district Fauzdari courts and established circuit courts? Who abolished district Faujdari courts? Cornwallis. Very good, Srinath. Lord Cornwallis abolished district Faujdari courts and abolished circuit courts. Where are the places that the circuit courts were established? Where are the places? Where were the places that circuit courts were established? Okay, Murshidabad, Dhaka, Patna. Another one is you left it. Murshidabad, Dhaka, Patna. Another one place. Calcutta. Very good, Gokul. The mnemonics is CDMP. Okay, CDMP is the mnemonic. Calcutta, Dhaka, Murshidabad, Patna. CDMP. Calcutta, Dhaka, Murshidabad, Patna. Lord Cornwallis established circuit courts. Okay. Okay. Who abolished circuit courts and established Sir Diwani Adalat, Sir Nidamat Adalat? Who abolished circuit courts and established Sir Diwani Adalat and Nidam? Bentinck. Very good, Srinath. William Bentinck abolished circuit courts and established Sir Diwani Adalat and Sir Nizamat Adalat. Where he established that Bentinck? Bentinck established Nivani Adalat and Nizamat Adalat. Where he established? Which place he established Bentinck? No answers. Allahabad. Very good question. William Bentinck abolished circuit courts and established a Diwani Adalat and Nizam Adalat at Allahabad. Okay. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. The Puducherry legislature is the creation of parliamentary law, whereas the Delhi legislature is created by the constitution itself. The Puducherry legislature is the creation of parliamentary law, whereas the Delhi legislature is created by the constitution itself. Whether it is true or false? True. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. The Puducherry legislature is the creation of parliamentary law, whereas the Delhi legislature has been created by the constitution itself. Okay. Okay. You have to tell true or false. Elephant corridors in India are not legally protected like tiger reserve. Elephant corridors in India are not legally protected like tiger reserve. Is it false? Is it false? No answers. Whether a connectivity is proper? Whether it is false, Savindu? It is true. Okay. Elephant corridors in India are not legally protected like tiger reserves. Okay. Elephant corridors in India are not legally protected like tiger reserves. The statement, given statement is true. Okay. Okay. Another very, very easy question, baby question. Western disturbance is brought to Indian subcontinent by the dash. Western disturbance is brought to Indian subcontinent by the dash. Very easy question. Yeah, jet streams only, but who will bring them there? Western disturbances. Westerlies, very good, Tavaindu. Western disturbance is brought to Indian subcontinent by the westerlies. Okay, westerlies. Okay. Dash state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Dash state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Dash state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Tripura, very good, Gokul. Tripura state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Tripura state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Okay. The privileges of the members of parliament and the state legislature are taken from dash constitution. The privileges of members of parliament and the state legislature are taken from dash constitution. Very easy question. UK. Is it right, Srinath? Is it UK? Canada? Is it Canada? No answers. Okay, I will give you the clue. Boss Strait, no? Boss Strait is the clue. Where it is Boss Strait, it will be there. Boss, BASS. Australia, very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. The privileges of members of parliament and the state legislature is taken from the Australian constitution. Okay, Australian constitution. Okay. Another very, very easy question. Roaring 40s, Furious 50s, striking 60s. What are they? Roaring 40s, Furious 50s, striking 60s. What are they? No need to think. Okay, they are westerly winds. Okay, very prominent in the southern hemisphere. Roaring 40s, Furious 50s, striking 60s, westerlies. Okay, you have to tell whether it is true or false. Zamindars are the landowners in permanent settlement system. Whether it is true or false. Zamindars are the landowners in the permanent settlement system. Whether it is true or false. Zamindars are landowners in permanent settlement. Very good, Sandhya. It is true. Okay. Zamindars are the landowners in the permanent settlement system. Zamindars are the landowners in permanent settlement. Okay, another very easy question. Policy of proud reserve associated person. That modern India policy of proud reserve. Which British official is associated with the policy of proud reserve? Policy of very good, Ashwin. It's Lord Lytton. Okay, policy of proud reserve. The associated person is Lord Lytton. Okay. Okay. Hong Kong Convention is associated with the dash. Hong Kong Convention is associated with the dash. Hong Kong Convention. Hong Kong Convention associated with dash. BIMSTEC. Okay. Ship. Very good, Tavanda. It is recycling of ships. Okay. Very good, Tavanda. Hong Kong Convention is associated with the recycling of ships. Okay. Okay. That MSP for minor forest produce is revised once in dash years. MSP for minor forest produce is very good, Ramya. It is revised once in 3 years. Okay. MSP for minor forest produce is revised once in 3 years. Okay. Okay. Whether you have to tell whether it is true or false. State government can increase or decrease MSP declared by central government. State government can increase or decrease MSP declared by the central government. Whether it is true or false. Whether it is false. Whether it is false. It is true. Okay. State government can increase or decrease the MSP declared by the central government for the minus forest produce. Only INC. What? Okay. State government can increase or decrease MSP declared by the central government. Okay. Okay. Another very easy question. He established observatories at Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Varanasi, and Mathura. Who I am talking about? He erected observatories at Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Varanasi, and Mathura. Who was the person? Very good. The Raja Savai Jai Singh. Raja Savai Jai Singh. Raja Savai Jai Singh established observatories at Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Varanasi, and Mathura. Okay. Another Heer Ranja, a book written by Heer Ranja, H-E-E-R, Heer Ranja. A book written by Heer Ranja, H-E-E-R-R-A-N-J-H-A, Heer Ranja. Somewhat famous book only. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Heer Ranja, the book written by Warisha. Okay, W-A-R-R-I-S, Warisha. Warisha. Okay, very good, Pravina. Risalo, a book written by Risalo, R-I-S-A-L-O, Risalo, a book written by Risalo, a book written by, somewhat difficult question only. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Shah Abdul Latif. Okay, Shah Abdul Latif written the Risalo. Heer Ranja, Warisha, Risalo, Shah Abdul Latif. Very good, Tavandu. Financial Stability Report is released by. Financial Stability Report is released by. Financial Stability Report is released by. That is global, Ramya. Global Financial Stability Report only IMF. I am asking simply financial. Very good, Kadiration. This RBI. Okay, simply if they say Financial Stability Report, it is RBI. Global Financial Stability Report only IMF. Okay, you have to tell whether it is true or false. Floodplains are absent in the youth stage. Floodplains are absent in the youth stage of river. Floodplains are absent in the youth stage of river. Very good, Mithun. It is true. Floodplains are absent in the youth stage of river. Okay. Okay. V-shaped valleys were formed in the which stage? V-shaped valley will be formed. V-shaped valley, no? The river forms V-shaped valley. Middle. Okay. Youth. Okay. Young stage. In younger stages, V-shaped valleys will be formed. Younger stages, V-shaped valley is formed. Okay. You have to tell the answer. Dash topography usually forms in the regions of plentiful rainfall. Dash in geography, dash topography usually forms in the regions of plentiful rainfall. Dash topography. Okay, I have to rephrase the question. Dash topography usually forms in the regions of plentiful rainfall. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is karst topography. Oh, very good, Pravina. It is karst, K-A-R-S-T. Karst topography usually forms in the regions of plentiful rainfall. Karst topography usually forms in the regions of plentiful rainfall. We are in the last period of today's session. Only 5 more minutes are remaining. Okay. Saptarishi constellation is a part of dash constellation. Saptarishi, no, that is 7 constellation in the sky. It is a part of this constellation. It is a subset of this constellation. A very famous only. Very good, Arvind. It is Ursa Major constellation. Saptarishi constellation is a part of Ursa Major constellation. Ursa Major constellation. Okay. Okay. Diatoms test. Okay. In practical life, you tell diatoms test is mainly used for dash. Diatoms test in our practical day life, in the routine life, no? In the lungs. Okay. 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 Very good. Diatoms test is used in the identification of murders in the forensic pathology. Okay. Diatoms test is used for the identification of murder in the forensic pathology. Diatoms test. Water present in the lungs, no? If they present diatoms, like that, whether it is natural death, unnatural death, diatoms test will be used. Okay. Mid-oceanic ridge is formed only a dash boundary. Mid-oceanic ridge may only formed a dash boundary. Very easy question. Divergent. Very good, consideration. Mid-oceanic ridge is formed a divergent boundary. Okay. Heat waves. No, it is very summer today, and then this is in the summer season. Okay. In the plain region, this much degree or above, they are called as heat wave. What is the threshold? Okay, 40 is for plain, 30 is for hilly terrain. Very good, Aravind. 40 degree or more is for plain, and 30 degree or more is hilly terrain. What about coastal region? Heat waves, plain region 40 degree or more, hilly region 30 degree or more. What about coastal region? What is the threshold value? Very good, Aravind. You have said 40 for plains and 30 for hills. What about coastal region? No guesswork? Okay, I will tell you the answer. Very good, Srinath. It is 37 degree or more. Okay. plains 40 degree or more, coastal region 37 degree or more, hilly region 30 degree or more. Okay, heat waves. Okay. Right to work, no? What is the article associated with the right to work? Right to work, no? What is the article? Very good, Srinath. It is Article 41. Article 41 is associated with the right to work. 41 Federation, it is Article 41. Okay, minimizing the inequalities, no? That minimizing inequalities, what is the article? For a proper distribution, we have to minimize the inequality. Very good, Tavandra. To minimize inequality is Article 38. Article 38 deals with minimizing the inequality. Okay. August Declaration, response by the British to the success of Dash. August Declaration, response by the British to the success of Dash. Regarding its success, they have declared that August Declaration. What, because of this, in modern India, no, August Declaration. It was a response to this activity. What is that one? Home Rule Movement. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. August Declaration of 1917 is a response by the British to the success of Home Rule Movement. To the success of Home Rule Movement. Okay. With this, we are winding up today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone. HRM. What is that? Home Rule Movement. Okay. Wait. Thank you, Kadiration. Thank you, everyone. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for participation. Okay. Kindly read that Shunya current affairs for the prelims program. Okay. Avoid vision current affairs. They will be unnecessarily dumping the materials. Okay. You please read Shunya current affairs for the prelims preparation. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Tarun Prabhu. Thank you for all the participants. Okay. I am winding up the session.